Welcome to Rising Stars Kids. We are going to learn action words. If you're not subscribed this channel, please subscribe channel for new videos. So let's start action words. Jumping, jumping. Walking, down, sit down, stand up, stand up, talking, talking, laughing, laughing, crying, crying,
enjoying, enjoying,
drinking, drinking, eating, eating, sleeping, sleeping, wake up, wake up, running, running, catching, catching, throwing, throwing. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.